Demystifying Clothing Size Charts. Know your fit. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning video. Today, we will be delving into an essential topic when it comes to shopping for clothes: understanding size charts. This is a particularly important skill if you're shopping online or in a foreign country where clothing sizes might differ from what you're accustomed to. A size chart is a table or chart that translates a person's body measurements into an appropriate size for clothes. Size charts can vary based on the country, the brand, or the type of clothing. They are typically used to help you find the right size when shopping, especially online. To understand size charts, you'll need to know some basic vocabulary. Bust. This is the measurement around the fullest part of your chest. Waist. This is the measurement around the narrowest part of your waist, typically where your body bends when you lean to the side. Hip. This is the measurement around the fullest part of your hips and buttocks. To use a size chart effectively, you will first need to measure your body. This can be done using a tape measure. Remember to measure the bust, waist, and hip areas. Once you have your measurements, compare them to the size chart. For instance, if a size M is for a bust size of 36 inches, and your bust is 36 inches, then size M would be suitable for you. Different countries often have different size systems. For example, a woman's size 8 in the United States would be a size 12 in the United Kingdom and a size 40 in most European countries. So, it's essential to know which country's sizing system the chart you're looking at uses. Also, remember that there are different size charts for men, women, and children, and each of these can vary for different types of clothing, such as shirts, pants, shoes, etc. Well, there you have it, a basic guide to understanding clothing size charts. We hope this has helped you gain a better understanding of how size charts work and how to use them to find clothes that fit you perfectly. Remember, the key to a great fit is understanding your own measurements and then comparing them to the size chart. Happy shopping!